have our differences. May I be blunt?
Be blunt. By all means.
I think perhaps it looks like rain.
The sky gets bluer by the hour.
The water falls in little drops.
That's why it's called the sunshine.
And now it stops.
You are about to be blunt.
If I say rain, then you say sun. If I say yes, then you say no. It seems before we started we're done. We even argue at hello. If I say share with me the small umbrella.
I say who cares if I get wet.
We are as different as the morning and the night.
No, we are as different as the winter and the spring.
We always seem to fight.
We disagree on everything.
And yet, you make me smile, you make me laugh, you make me care. How can I explain inside my heart? I feel the pain when you're not there. We are not at all alike. You make me feel alive. If we had that in common, that one small thing in common, love could be like a small umbrella in the rain.
Josephine!
Christopher Columbus!
The guests will be arriving soon. I want the family gathered upstairs. And just who are you?
This is my Aunt March. This is Professor Mayer.
Call me Fritz.
Fritz? Is that your name, Fritz?
Did I not tell you?
No.
Well, bring up Fritz.
You were saying?
Fritz?
Fritz.
When people discover passion, they've come upon something rare. This fervor they have in common will shelter them anywhere. Though the rest may be rough, with such passion to share, I think they'll have more than enough, enough to make a marriage. If we dare.
You were proposing?
No. Yes. Yes, but I do not mean today. Or tomorrow. Or even in next week. A month maybe. A year even. 2 years. I'm a patient man.
I won't be sweet. I won't be secure.
This I prefer. This I adore.
I'll speak my mind. You can ensure.
I'll be enchanted to the core.
I say, let me share your small umbrella.
I'll say, who cares if we get wet? No, we are different as a woman and a man.
We'll find our way through life.
We'll disagree the best we can. You make me smile, you make me laugh, you make me care. How can I explain inside my heart? I feel the pain when you're not there. We are not at all alike. You make me feel alive.
Go, go.
If we all
That one small thing in common,
our
love